Attention plumbing contractors, do you need more customers for your plumbing company? For example, Ricky Diaz, the owner of Matrix Plumbing, we were able to take his business from making $60,000 a month to making over $200,000 a month in less than 3 months.
Hi, my name is Ricky. I'm the owner of Matrix Plumbing and Services. We specialize in water leaks and water flood restoration. So the way I heard about Strictly Plumbers is one day I was going through my Facebook and I noticed that Tony G was with one of my buddies from another plumbing company, and I had to get in contact with this guy right away to see what was going on. So before I met Tony G, I was averaging about $60,000 a month. Between the time I met Tony G and about 90 days later, I was grossing about $200,000. So I started getting calls within my first 30 days, and then after my first 60 to 90 days, the call volume just started rocketing. The difference between Strictly Plumbers and other marketing agencies is that when you go with Strictly Plumbers, they do what they tell you they're going to do. They're going to get you quality leads. They're going to get you good quality calls, and you don't have to worry about where your marketing dollars are going.